Hi, you are welcome on the Continuity channel. In the previous video, I have discussed about the centrifugal pump, its working and its types. If you have not seen, then look them first. Today I will discuss about the various parts of the centrifugal pump in detail. Let's start. There are various parts of the centrifugal pump, like casing, impeller wear ring, casing wear ring, shaft sleeve, stuffing box, mechanical seal, bearing and bearings housing. Let's discuss about these parts one by one. At first I shall discuss about the pump casing. That is, what is casing? What is its types? And of which material it is made? Let's start one by one. What is casing? Casing is a stationary part of the pump that converts kinetic energy of the liquid into pressure energy and directs it out from the pump through the discharge point. Now, how many types of casing? There are 3 types of casing. First, volute casing, second, vortex casing, and third, casing with guided blades. Let's discuss about the volute casing. It is a spiral type in which area of flow increase gradually. The increase in area of flow decreases the velocity of flow. Decrease in velocity increases pressure of liquid flowing through the casing. Volute casing is the most common type of casing. Look at the diagram. This is a volute casing. The impeller is placed within the volute. The impeller is positioned in this way that the outer diameter of the impeller is closest to the volute at the point just past the discharge. This point where the impeller is closest to the volute is called the cutwater. Beginning from the cutwater, as we move around the impeller, the distance between the volute and impeller gradually increases until we reach the discharge point. This steady expansion of the area around the impeller means that pressure will build moving from the smallest clearance to the greatest, and the increasing pressure will push the liquid out of the discharge point. Now, second, vortex casing. Vortex casing is a casing in which circular chamber is provided between the casing and the impeller. Vortex casing is helpful to increase pump efficiency by reducing eddies formation to a considerable extent. Look at the diagram. This shows the vortex casing. Now third, casing with guided blades. In the casing with guided blades, the impeller is surrounded by series of guide blades. The guide blades are mounted on a ring which is called as diffuser. The design of the guide vanes are kept as such that the liquid which is leaving the impeller enters the guides without shock. The area of the guide vanes increases. This helps to decrease the velocity of the liquid and increases its pressure. After guide vanes, liquid passes through the surrounding casing. Now, second, classification of the casing according to the mechanical design. There are 2 types of casing according to the mechanical design. First, horizontally split casing, and second, vertically split casing. Horizontally split casing. Horizontally split casing is not used for high pressure application. It is used for pressure only up to 40 bars. It is difficult to prevent the leak from the joint in high pressure application. Look at the diagram. This is horizontally split casing. It can be divided into 2 parts horizontally. Second, vertically split casing. Vertically split casing is used for mostly single stage pump and for high pressure application. This types of casing consist of a cylinder with removable end plate. When end plate is removed, shaft, impeller and diffuser can be removed. You can look at the diagram. This is vertically split casing, which is divided into 2 parts vertically. Now, selection of material for casing. The following criteria should be considered in the selection of the material for casing or impeller. First, corrosion resistance. Second, abrasive wear resistance. Third, cavitation resistance. Fourth, strength. Fifth, casting and machining properties. Sixth, cost. Casing can be made up of stainless steel and alloy steel, depends upon the pressure, temperature and corrosive nature of the liquid. I stop this session now. I shall discuss next parts in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand well. If you have any questions regarding this, then tell me. I shall solve your problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.